Hello and welcome to the TigrePup Beauty channel. I'm TigrePup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to flat iron your silky hair straight. This video is a continuation of how to blow dry your silky hair straight, so when you get a chance, check that out. Okay, so as you can see here, we've blown dried the hair straight and now we're going to flat iron it. First thing we're going to do is spray the hair with our heat protectant and go in with our flat iron. As you can see here, I just sprayed the hair with the heat protectant and taken section by section and flat ironing the hair nice and straight. And I'm going to use my comb to do the chase method. And now I'm just going to continue this method throughout the entire head until everything is nice and silky straight. Okay, here is a reminder of what the hair looked like before we straightened it with the flat iron. This is the before, and here is the after. This completes our video 7B, how to flat iron our silky hair straight. Please join me in our next video 7C, how to blow dry your water wave wig. Thanks for watching.